Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Stitch dating app or community membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you you can cancel your membership very easily by using two very simple ways, and we will also discuss about how you can get your full refund if you have by mistake if you have activate your community membership. Okay, how you can get your money back. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like how to cancel, you can cancel your membership by using two ways. The first is for Android users. You need to open your Play Store, you need to tap on your profile icon, and then you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select your subscription option, then you need to select your app, Stitch app, and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it. Now if we talk about how to cancel your subscription on iPhone users, or you can select on iPhone, you need to open your iPhone settings, you need to tap on your Apple ID, then you need to select your subscription, then you need to select your app like Stitch app, and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it. So by using these two ways you can cancel your subscription or membership. Now if you have by mistake activated community and community membership, how you can get your money back? So the money back is very easy. What you have to do, you need to compose an email like this kind of email. In the email you need to provide each and everything. You can take help from ChatGPT also, like what's the reason behind your cancellation of membership, and in the membership you need to provide your account details like your email ID, your phone number by which they can verify your account. Don't provide your password and all. So don't provide your private and personal information. Just need to provide some information which is very important to verify your account. Okay, and in the end of the email you can also ask, or you can also make a request for refund by providing valid reason for cancellation of membership. Okay, if all the things are in your favor and if all are in the policy, then they can provide you refund. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at the email address that is like support@stitch.net. You need to send your email at this email address. Once they receive your email, they will contact you very soon and they will provide you reply on your same email, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support until you don't get any confirmation from their side regarding your refund and regarding your cancellation of membership. Okay, so this is the option. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.